Hey my love, so welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a updated video to a video that I did I think 2 years ago. I will leave that video linked down below in the description box. So I'm going to be doing a updated best brown lip liners for dark skin. One thing I want to say is don't let nobody ever tell you that all brown lip liners are the same. They're not. They're all different. They got different texture, consistency, undertones. They're different. They look the same, but they're different. Don't tell me otherwise. Get out my face. With that being said, I am going to try them on for you guys. I have quite a few. I think I have a lot more than I did in my first video. So this is the LA Girl Shockwave Nude Lip Liner. This color is called Chai Latte. And I picked mine up from my local beauty supply store. And this is what it looks like. The consistency of this lip liner is very smooth. It's very creamy. You can see how it just glides up and down. It's just a really nice dark pigmented lip liner. So as you guys can see, this is gliding very well on the lips. I hate the packaging though. I know Colourpop does this as well. I just find it, now wait a minute. I just find it hard to sharpen, you know, and I hate when lip liners make your lips ashy. Like, I didn't ask for that. So this is Chai Latte from LA Girl, and as you guys can see, it's a nice warm, it's kind of warm brown lip liner. Actually, I'm going to try on this new gloss that I showed y'all in my vlog. Let's see what it do. It might not do much. That's what it looks like with the gloss. Super duper cute. I just love brown lip liner. It's just very sexy and sultry. I like black. I like black lip liner as well. My favorite. Okay, Ross. I got that lip gloss from Ross. Y'all seen the vlog. Okay, the next lip liner I have is from Colourpop. This is their lippie pencil. This is in the color Pitch. Oh girl, well, first of all, let me swatch it. Just going in. This is another creamy product. You guys can definitely see the different textures. This one looks a little bit more smoother. And this one is definitely darker than the LA Girl that I just tried on for you guys. This one, yeah, this one is a lot creamier. It's going on really creamy. Yeah, I like that. That's nice and dark. We like it dark. We like chocolate. That one is called Pitch from Colourpop. So that's what it looks like with a gloss. Ooh, super cute. So the next lip liner is from NYX. This is from their Line Loud lip pencil collection. This color is Rebel Kind. This one is really popular. I knew I wanted this color when I first seen this collection come out. So yeah, this one is really good. Now wait a minute, I didn't know I had to sharpen it. Give me a second. Very creamy, very smooth. This is the color I want, soft nude. It's just a pretty nude color. I love this color. I'm just gonna put it on with this. See? Beautiful color. I love this lip gloss. It don't last long, but I love it. But that's what it looks like with the lip liner. Don't need that much gloss. It just depends on if you want to tone the lip liner down, or if you just want a little spot of highlights using a nude lip gloss. It's totally up to you. It gives out a really nice ombre kind of vibe. This is the next lip liner that I want to talk to y'all about. Honey, best lip liner I have ever tried. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the color Dimensional Dark Brown. Baby girl, hold on, it's upside down. Baby girl, I had to go to Sephora and buy another one because I think I left mine when I went to Tennessee. I think I left it in the Airbnb, so I had to go back and get another one. I can't be without this lip liner. So this is a brand new Makeup Forever lip liner, but look at that. That is straight up mud. This is what I'm saying. Don't let nobody tell you that all brown lip liners are the same. I like wooden lip liners. Look at that. Look at that. It's dark as hell. What I was doing like all summer, this was my combination: the Makeup by MY-REE lip gloss in soft nude, and then this lip liner, and then I will go over it with the Essence lip gloss. So let me get that real quick. I'll be right back. Hold on, it's in my purse, the lip gloss. Hold on, let me, that's a highlighter. Hold on, wait a minute, where's the damn gloss? I got it. I'm gonna add the soft nude in the middle, and I feel like when you add a really light nude lip gloss in the center of a dark brown lip liner, it brings out the lip liner even more. I just like that. It's giving smoky, you know what I mean? And you can totally blend it out with your fingers. I just use my lips and blend it out because I just like that. I like that harsh lip liner look, you know. I like to focus the gloss more on top of the liner than anything, and it just smooths everything out. You can find you a husband with this lip combination. Let me show y'all again. Makeup Forever Dimensional Brown, Makeup by MY-REE soft nude, and then well, your Essence lip gloss probably don't look like mine. That's because I messed it up with my lip liner. All right, this next lip liner, I just recently got this and I hauled this to you guys. I haven't tried this on yet, so I'm going to try it out with you guys. This is from Nico K. This is one of their new lip liners. This is in the color Black Coffee, and I feel like this is a dupe for the Makeup Forever. Well, I don't know if it's a dupe yet, but when I swatched it, I felt like it kind of reminded me of the Makeup Forever Dimensional Brown. So this is Makeup Forever's. Let's swatch it next to it. Oh. So Makeup Forever is $22, and I'm gonna find the price for this. I want to say it was like $3, $4 or $5 or something. That's a big price difference, and they look the same. I knew it was a dupe. I just knew it. Like, that's like damn near the same color. Wow. Okay, so let's try that on. This is in that Colourpop packaging that I don't like. But, oh, wait a minute, it's kind of sticky. I'm gonna do the same lip that I just did. It's giving the same what I just took off my lips. Same color, same, just the same. You can't tell the difference. It's still a dark, it's like a black brown, like a really, really extremely deep dark brown lip liner, and I'm here for it. Am I creasy? I am. Wow. All right, so I have 3 lip liners from Juvias Place. I am missing one. I think it's called Espresso. I don't have that one. I probably will go buy that one soon. The first one is Brownie from Juvias Place. Pretty sure a lot of you all have this. And I do like these because they're retractable. And if you want to, you can put this all over your lips. That's a Brownie, and that will look really, really nice with a nude lip in the center. So next one is actually my favorite. This is Cocoa Latte. So this is Cocoa Latte. Want to pair it with Milky Cocoa from Essence. Like if I put the Essence gloss over it, it's over. I should do it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just really nice and dark and sultry, as you guys can see. I should have tried it on with one of my favorite lipsticks. Let's do that. This is Cocoa Latte again, but I'm showing you guys what it would look like with a nude lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to be using is, this is my favorite lipstick, one of my favorite lipsticks in the whole wide world. This is from Ruby Kisses. This is their matte lipstick in the color Brown Sugar. It's like that pale nude lip that I love, and that you have to wear a brown lip liner with. Like, look, it's giving chicken flour. Y'all probably like, girl, all this stuff look the same, but it's not. How many times I gotta keep telling y'all? I love this color. Gorgeous. So that is Cocoa Latte with a lip gloss and a lipstick. I have Kola. I don't really wear Kola like that. I did when I first got it. This is another popular color. Now this one is not like too warm. It's just giving just straight up brown. Add a little, just add like a little lipstick in the middle. Give it a little blot. There you go. You can add a gloss if you want to. This one is Kola, that is on my lips, and I have it on with a lipstick, the Ruby Kisses lipstick. And this is like a nice grungy, you know, kind of lip. Like it's a soft grunge. I don't know why it's giving me that 90s lip kind of vibe. You know, just a little bit. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you find your perfect lip liner, your perfect dark brown lip liner out of this video. Like I said, I will have everything listed down below, or linked, or whatever I decide to do. If you know of any other lip liners, comment down below. I know the Sephora one is really popular. I know NYX has some other brown lip liners. I know a lot of people talk about the one from Makeup by Mario. So it's just a lot that I haven't got around to. I plan to in the near future. So if you have any that you guys like to use, please comment down below. Whether it's drugstore, affordable, high-end. Well, no, never mind. Wait a minute now. I'm not paying $50 for a lip liner. I refuse. I mean, that lip liner got to pay a bill or something. Because why are you $50? If you guys are new here, comment down below, thumbs up this video, share it with somebody that's in need of some new lip liners, okay? That, you know, some people use their lip liner to get down to here, like a cigarette bud. Girl, throw it away.